India. I am just continuing with the biological basis of behavior. So, as I already informed that NCERT is the best source when we are talking about various aspects of biological basis of behavior, from nerve cell to the part of the neurons. You need to understand basic understanding of the part of the neurons like dendrites or synapse, and also you have to understand the sympathetic and parasympathetic system. Please go through this topic because it is very important. Sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So voluntary and involuntary, what are the different categories comes under the functions comes under the sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So be careful on that. And also digestive process, sequence of the digestive process. So particularly some part of the amygdala and thalamus and hypothalamus. So these are very important. There is always question on thalamus or hypothalamus because these are very important. And also hippocampus, which is the center for long-term memory. So these are very important. You can have previous year paper question through. You can have a fair idea about that, how the questions are asking from biological basis behavior to various aspect of biological aspect, how they influence the behavior. So you can say from nerve cell to neuron, various messages called neurotransmission, neural conduction. So from conduction to various aspect of endocrine system, how that our various neurotransmitter. Actually, when we are talking about neurotransmitter, very important. That is what the transmission coming here. So various neurotransmitter, each and every neurotransmitter their own functions like serotonin and etc. You can go for minimum 5 to 6 very important neurotransmitter. You need to be work on that. So that is one you need to be understand. And second, that I already talked about the neuroimaging techniques, which is very important. Various neuroimaging techniques are very important. And digestive process, how digestion take place, and also emotional regulation of the body. So emotional regulation of the body, I already told hypothalamus is one of the important organs, and various theory related to physiological aspect, how the body functions. So please look into that motivations, physiological basis of the motivation or biological motivation of basis of the motivation, like for example thirst, sex, and yeah, that is the thirst, and that you need to be hunger. So these are all biological basis of the motivation. So you need to look into that, and that is what I just wanted to explain. Thank you so much.